Okay. Hey, what's up, my ninjas? What's up, my ninja, my ninja, my ninja? All right. Um, okay, so welcome back to one of my YouTube videos here. I'm going to show you how I got Ionic 3 to work with Font Awesome 5, actually 5.5. Okay. I did a Google search. I couldn't really find it. It turns out it really wasn't that freaking difficult, but I'm sure there's a lot of you searching for it and can't quite figure it out because it is a little different than 4.7 or whatever. And the NPM packages that you have install version 4 still right now. So maybe this video will be short-lived for people, but nonetheless, I'm recording it, so you better be fucking watching. All right, so again, so this is the end result. I got it working, so you can see there's a cool cat icon that's only available in 5, and they got a lot of like really cool icons like in version 5. Like he really outdid himself here. I like this shit. All right, so let's go back and figure out how we did this. So I put this in a branch, So let's go to the terminal. I wanna get terminal. All right, so I created a branch called FA upgrade. So for those of you who don't know, that's Git, and if you don't know Git, then you probably shouldn't be writing Ionic code. Just saying. All right, so let's check out my master, which hasn't been updated. And I already created a branch actually, because this is take number 2. I admit I fucked the first one up. And I actually fucked it up right here because I forgot to commit. So let's just make another one. All right, so if I did, actually I'll show you. All right, if I did Git branches, you can see I already did an FA YouTube. So let's, because this is take 2, Git check out, and we'll call it FA 5 upgrade. How about that? Okay. So now that we have that, okay, now this better work this fucking time. I'm not shooting this video again. You guys will never see it. All right. All right, let's fire back up Ionic. Ionic serve. Okay, I'm not gonna open the lab because as you can see, it's already open. So let's let it compile. And while that's compiling, because I'm gonna be a jerk, I'm not gonna let you see how I get back to the screen that has all the icons, because obviously this is an app that I'm working on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's transpiling. Yeah, and it's running really slow because I'm actually in the middle of coding something right now. So I got like a million things running. I got like nodes running and Docker running and like a whole bunch of crap. So apologize for the slowness. All right, bada boom, bada bing, it's done. So let me refresh it over here on this screen that you can't see, and then it's going to be like magic once this comes back up. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's refreshing, it's clicking some buttons, and then pow, like right back there. Dun, 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 dun. All right, you can see it ain't working. My cat's gone. The cat is out of the bag. All right, so here we go. So if you haven't already, you gotta mosey on over to Font Awesome and then like download the thing, right? So you just want to download it. So go to how to use, and then you can go to the downloads. Don't use the CDN, okay? Which means your people have to be connected to the internet, waste their data plan for your app to work. If it's a PWA, I guess it really doesn't matter, but whatever. Okay, so I downloaded it from here. So you can just click this button and it'll download a zip file. Now I've already done this, and hopefully all of you are smart enough to know how to download and unzip a file. So we're not going to do stupid shit like that on my videos. Okay. All right. So let me go to the Finder. Well, actually, before that, what I'll do, let's open up VS Code. Okay, so let's go to VS Code. Let me put that so you can kind of see what the fuck's going on here. All right, so I still have 4.7 kind of still in there. All right, don't pay attention to anything you see here, or I will shoot you later. Okay, so what I want to do is go to the assets folder. Okay, now this isn't the best way to do things. Okay, I know, right? So what you would want to do in assets, create a folder called fonts, okay, and then create another one called FA. And you can see right now, I already did that because again, this is take number 2 and I already fucked up. All right, so we're going to put all of our stuff in here. Okay, so what we're going to do first is in this root folder, and we're going to do it in Finder because it's a lot easier, is put all of our Sass files. I'm going to do it using Sass, not CSS, just because I don't know, it just sounds cooler. All right, and then we're also going to put our fonts in here, so they won't actually end up on the root like all the other fonts. So they'll actually end up in this FA folder. It stands for fucking awesome. All right, so let's go to Finder. Let me make it a little smaller so you can see it. There we go. There we go. All right. So, okay. So I got 2 tabs here. I got my little zip. This is the zip. Okay. And here is inside of that zip all of your Sass stuff. All right. Look at that. Okay. So, okay, boys and girls, you highlight them using the Shift key. Then you right click. Okay. And then you click copy. Okay, and then you go over to your other folder and you try to find it in the mess of shit that you have. Okay, there we go. And then we do a right click and we paste that motherfucker right there. Bam! Alright, so the other thing I'm going to do is, because even though a lot of my code is a hot mess, we're actually going to put the actual fonts in another folder. So I'm going to we'll create another, what do you call it, folder, if you will, in the, under FA. So, and we'll call it, oh, you know what, fuck it, we won't even do that. Just skip that idea. Just go back over here, and then, you know what, we'll just copy the whole folder. Because I was going to call it something else, but whatever. Okay, so just copy web fonts. And then we'll paste that mamma jamma right there. Paste the item. Now I'm showing it to you this way because normally I like to use the terminal, but I don't know. That doesn't make for a good video, I guess. Okay, so there we go. So we copied all our crap right here. Okay, so we have this, 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 and this. Now what we need to do is tell Ionic that this shit is here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now go back to our variable.css. Okay, and as you can see, I still have some leftover Font Awesome 4.7. Now, if you don't have Font Awesome right now, 4.7, and you don't have this, you can do something really cool, and it's really difficult. You just copy what the fuck you see on the screen right here, and then you'd be up to speed. All right, because we're going to change it anyways. So really, it doesn't matter. Okay, so our font path, okay, that's going to change because basically it's taking the same font path that was defined by Ionic. Now, like I said, we're not putting our fonts there, so they're going to be in a different location. So here we go. So just as a point of reference, okay, keyboard's getting sticky. And no, not for those reasons. Okay, so we'll say font path equals the font path. Oh shit, it's supposed to be a $sign. All right, and we're actually going to say we're going to put it in the FA folder, and we're going to put it in the web fonts. Okay, all right. because that's where it is, right? Okay, so that's going to go there, and then after that we need to do an import of font. Actually, we'll just do the whole path. Okay, so assets, fonts, F8, and then we'll include our font awesome Sass file right there. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's get rid of this dumb shit over here. Okay, and let's save. It's saving. And what should we do now? Yeah, maybe let's take a look at it. Okay. Oh my god, it's kind of working. So as you can see here, we got something now. We got a square, and that means it doesn't know how to find the font. Oh, what should we do? Okay, well, I already figured this part out too, so save the drama. Basically, with Font Awesome now, not everything is included, so this is mainly just your engine. Okay, so like, I guess I wouldn't say engine, but it's the core of Font Awesome to get the things to work. Then you have to determine which one of the cool font sets you want to use, because now they have several. They have like, let's go back here and I can show you. You know, like you can't just look this shit up yourself. Okay, they have solid, regular, light, and brands. Okay, and then they have stuff where you can pay for it. And if you want to pay for it, by all means, go ahead. I haven't really had a need to pay for icons, so I don't. I really wish I could give them some money. I use their shit all the time, but they give a lot of stuff away for free. Okay, but at any rate, you have to tell it that you want to use solid, regular, light, or brand. So in order to do that, and I'd recommend doing this after all this is done. So basically, come on, return button. All right, there we go. Oh, Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Okay, I'm just going to... My keyboard is running out of batteries. That is a problem. All right, so what we need to do is say, okay, we're going to use solid. Solid as a rock. And then we'll use brands. Even though I'm not going to show you brands, but you kind of get the point. All right, so let's save that. And if I did it correctly, maybe this should have worked. Holy shit, it worked. It's not a cat. It's actually diagnoses, which is actually a pretty cool one. It's actually a person with a bunch of, it looks like leprosy around them. So pretty cool icon. So just to get it back to the way it was, I'll actually change that for you. And you can see, where is it at? Okay, so let's change it to that cat. And we saved it, and it's rebuilding, and it's gonna load, and bam, we got a cat. Okay, cool. So that's it. We did it. All right, so if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe like everyone else does, and you could probably be my first or second subscriber, because I just started this channel, so I don't really have that many friends, so please be my friend. And if you have any questions, or you want me to do another video and you kind of like my style, leave me a comment, let me know. Thanks. Peace.